we're going over the causeway that takes you from Clearwater to world famous Clearwater Beach. Straight ahead are many hotels and condominiums. There's a lot of boating and the beautiful white sugary sand. Now we're getting closer to Clearwater Beach during the final curve. There is a tourist boat adventure tour on the right. Straight ahead is the Clearwater Beach Hilton. Now we're going around this dangerous roundabout. It's gonna be jammed with cars in about another hour. On the right is a park where there's a causeway, where there's a lot of arts and crafts, some food establishments too. You're looking at Pier 60. It's a pier that has a lot of entertainment. Now you're passing a parking lot adjacent to Pier 60. This is the main strip of Clearwater Beach. A lot of places to park yourself in the sand for a great beach day. I like the blue and white umbrellas. They're available for rental, running about $25 a day. There's also some decent volleyball games that can be found here on the beach. Some of it was practically. We're passing Gulf View Boulevard. On the right is a modern Wyndham Grand Hotel. You hear some Calypso Caribbean style music as we drive along Clearwater Beach's main drag. This is the bay side of Clearwater Beach. There are smaller hotels. Some were built in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. There's a sign that says beach parking $20. Now we're passing the Seaside Inn and Suites. We're going around the curve. It has a little bit of a Key Western atmosphere with some of the wrought iron architecture of some of these buildings. Passing Jimmy's Fish House and Iguana Bar. More $20 parking. Everyone looks so happy as they're walking past Shephard's Beach Resort. I see them in their finest resort wear. Pretty soon these people will be spending countless hours at the beach working on cans, playing frisbee with the tie-dye on her. Look at all these tourists walking on this strip of Clearwater Beach. We're passing a quality hotel in the Continental Towers. I like the name of the hotel coming up on the right. It's called the Dream View. A lot of people like to ski. Now we're going over a causeway that will take you from Clearwater Beach proper to a key called Sand Key. Key means island in Spanish. To the right is another beautiful view of the Gulf of Mexico. I just love this view as you descend from the causeway down to Sand Key. I like the beautiful bay at Clearwater here. Very well landscaped. We're continuing along this highway in Sand Key. It's a trolley for complimentary transportation along the main drag here in Clearwater Beach. We're passing some additional condominiums and apartments in this area. Now we're passing the Crescent Beach Club. Passing the Sand Key Club, a couple other condominiums. I love some of these flowering trees. I think most of them are bougainvilleas. I've always been intrigued by the architecture of this New England style condominium to the right. Look at the gables as we pass the finale. Boating is a big part of living in Clearwater Beach and even vacationing here. Look at those sailboats. We're continuing north on Sand Key. A very expensive community of luxury condominiums and hotels. The temperature is a mild 82 degrees here. Coming up on the right hand side is Marriott's resort property at Sand Key. On the left is another property we will explore in detail today called the Sheraton Sand Key. Now we're looking at some condominiums just south of Sheraton Sand Key. Condominiums include the Grand, Mandalay, and several apartments. Most of these condominiums will run anywhere from $500,000 to the $2 and $3 million mark. And on the right is a cute little strip mall with a Dunkin Donuts. Over there is Sand Key Park, a great place to go to the beach. Yeah, I could spend the whole day watching these waves hit the sand here on Sand Key.